Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my lair. Have a seat. Don't get too comfortable. Anyway, hi, happy Halloween. Happy October. We're feeling witchy, we're feeling bitchy. Well, we kind of always are, but especially during October. So today's video is sponsored by Shablam Cosmetics, and it's a good old-fashioned tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous wearable witchy glam look, perfect for a Halloween party or, you know, going to the grocery store. So Shablam Cosmetics, who are they? What are they? You guys, look at this. It says stay bitchy, and it's in a black box. This isn't just the PR box, this is the customer box as well. Look at this. The holographic crunchy stuff, just so freaking cute. And don't even get me started, look at these boxes. You can't tell me that this isn't some of the coolest packaging you've ever seen in your entire life. Am I holding it upside down? Yes, I am. Look at this freaking box. I've never seen anything like that, and I'm floored. Anyway, I'm obsessed. You guys can tell I'm obsessed. It's dark and it's shiny, and I'm obsessed. So what they sent me is some of their lip potions, which are basically liquid lipsticks, $20 each. And the cool thing about them is you can use them as a liquid lip or an eyeshadow as well. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I created this eye look using Witch and Sorceress. The names, you guys, so good. Before we get into the tutorial, let me swatch the ones that I have here for you so you guys can see. This one is Sorceress. Witch. Enchantress. This one is the Moon. This one is called Porn XXX. And then this one is PG-13. Look at how pigmented these are. And then you can kind of see the duochrominess of the metallic ones right here. They're very long wearing, also soft. The mattes especially are like pretty darn soft. I was wearing the red one earlier. Yeah, other than that, I think it's pretty cool. You can use them as a lip topper, a lipstick, an eyeshadow. I'm going to show you guys how I used two of the shades to create this look. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright, I brought you guys in kind of close because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing, and because I did the other eye off camera. I'm first going to take Ashes from the Kat Von D Satan's Sinner palette. I put it in the crease with a big fluffy brush, and then I just blend. See those little green flecks of glitter? It is so cute. I need more transition shades that have glitter in them. TBH. Okay, next I'm taking kind of like a swampy, yellowy, kind of shimmery green. See that? Start out in the inner corner. Not using a packing brush for this. It's kind of like a flat shader brush. I just find like that this works better for me than packing on. It kind of just gets a lot of fallout. Oh my god, speaking of fallout, I almost forgot, you guys. Take your loose powder and your sponge because you don't want to mess your base up. Okay, stay focused, bitch. Alright, we're putting that color like halfway across the lid. See that? Next, let's take a tinier brush and we're gonna put that, oh Jesus, directly into your eye, around the tear duct, pretty much all the way across the lower lash line. This glittery lime green shade, and this shade is gonna go around the edges of that other green that we just put down. Bring it around town. Next up, we're going to take Witch from Shablam Cosmetics. It's almost like we're going to cut the crease with it. Starting in the inner corner. Look how bright and shiny that is. bring it around town and on the lower. See how it just looks wet? The reason why I put down that green shadow is to really make the green properties of Witch stand out. It's a duochrome, so it's kind of brown and green, and I really wanted the green to pop. So if you put any sort of base under, like a black, it really helps that other color shine through. Okay, so taking Sorceress, which is a duochrome, more of like a brown and blue, and this one we're putting on this side of the eye, this side of the lid. Just fill it in and just soften any edges. I'm gonna take this greeny, yellowy, sparkly, it's called Whimsical. It's a glitter liner by LA Splash. Don't focus on it or anything, you know, no big deal. Once the liquid eyeshadow is dry, then you can go in with your glitter, and I kind of just draw lines, like strokes, like just fill it in. I'm popping some black pencil in my waterline really quick. This is the Iris Beauty eyeliner pen, one of my absolute favorites, and we're gonna do a wing. Gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Waterproof. While it dries, I'm gonna prepare my falsies. We're witchy, we're bitchy, we need a green highlight. I'm gonna use Lucky Clover from the Anastasia Moonchild palette, because I think that's the only green highlight that I own. Grabbing a big old brush and just slather it on. I feel like this is the one time of year where I feel comfortable putting green highlighter on my forehead. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hit the chin. You're not witchy enough if your chin isn't green. Cupid's bow. Do not forget the Cupid's bow. Teensy brush, and then do a little boop. Let's pop some under the brow bone. Blend out the nose a little bit, actually. I look crazy. Ooh, this green highlight is giving me life right now. Is it giving anybody else life? Is it giving you death? The answer is yes. Okay, I kind of don't feel like, I don't want blush. I feel like it's gonna make me look too cutesy, and like, I'm not trying to be a cute bitch today. I'm trying to be a witchy bitch. Let's do setting spray. We can do setting spray, and then we can put on more highlight. This is the Milani 16-hour. Normally, it doesn't taste good, but it smells good. Normally I'll like hold my breath if I'm spraying myself with setting spray, but I breathe in deep with this one. Oh, we gotta hurry before it dries. I'm talking to. Yes. Okay, lip time, bitch. So we need a black base for the lip that we want to do. So this is Lime Crime Black Velvet. Yeah, go ahead and overdraw, that's fine. Okay, so let that dry. I wonder if I could use Exodus as blush. If you guys were here, you'd probably be telling me, no, don't do that. I kind of want to have it be like in my hairline a little bit. Ooh. Why did I just get Backstreet Boys stuck in my head? No, it's in sync. You're all I ever wanted. You're all I ever needed, yeah. Alright, you guys, the lipstick is dry. We're gonna go in for the finishing touch. We're gonna take Witch. And we are going to gently and carefully put that like on the top of the Cupid's bow. So load it up and then make a really cool face. And just pat. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm just a witch over here, minding my own business, casting spells, and gobbling up children. Alright guys, so here's the finished wearable witchy glam moment. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I think it's a very pretty Halloween party kind of look. Thank you so much for watching. It was really fun to do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, and happy Halloween.
Los compadres, Oceanside. Okay, you bitch, here's what I found.
Is that what it said?
Yeah, hilarious.
Are you serious? Give it to me right now. Okay, so you guys, Garrett's always so rude to Siri. Oh my god. It says, okay, you bitch. Did you change your name to that?
I definitely didn't do it. Did you do it?
No.
Hey Siri,
What's my name? You're Garrett. But you asked me to call you bitch. Did I change it?
You must have.
I don't remember, but if I did, I'm hilarious and you're welcome.